they celebrate that all the following DPs have defected to us. It is like removing money from the left pocket and putting it in your right pocket, then you boast that you are richer. How can you say you are rich? You don't have any additional money. You have simply removed it from the shirt pocket and put it in the trouser pocket. As for us, we can announce that we have become a beacon of hope, particularly for those who were mistreated in some of the primary processes. We are now waiting to receive back some of our prodigal children. Remember, we never chased them. Those who went to NUP. We said, we will not run after the prodigal children because they know the way home. Already we are receiving calls. We are receiving calls from those who the shrine never favored. The Mandwa or whatever spit decides has not favored some of them. So we have told them, Democratic Party is here for you. We will come you back like the prodigal son. And many of them are coming back because they trusted a shrine. And that is why last week the Secretary General said, we are going to keep our doors open up to the last minute to receive refugees. So you can now call DP in the language of Noah's Ark, you call it Mao's Ark now. Those who are fleeing the storms from elsewhere can now come to our Noah's Ark. Because they have tried everything and they have realized that they are safer in DP. I am hoping that when they come, the DP leaders will give them all the support that they need. We want political parties to unite. And I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that there are broadly going to be two tendencies in Uganda, or two political blocks. There is the block of so-called regime change fundamentalists, which has the NUP, which has the PFF, the group which says Agende. Very strong slogans, but no strategy. And you cannot follow a slogan, you must follow a strategy. Then you have got those of us who believe in constructive engagement with those who are in power today. We say, let's talk.